Okay, so this is the part 2 of our lesson on components of a vector. So, in our part 1, I was able to discuss to you kung ano yung explanation kung saan nanggaling yung equations na gagamitin natin to find for your x and y components ng vector natin. So, simple recall lang po tayo. I-recall natin yung mga equations na gagamitin natin. So, we have to solve for your ax, you are going to use this equation. A is cosine A cosine theta. For your ay, you have your A sine theta. So, ito yung mga gagamitin nating equation. Tandaan niyo po yan. This will be sa mga susunod po na problem, gagamitin po natin ito. So, now, I will be giving you an example para paliitin ko lang. Okay, paliitin ko lang. That will be our guiding star. Okay, so for example, ang example 1, so, sasabihin na lang natin, hindi mo na siya worded problem para magbibigay din naman ako ng worded problem later on. So, ang gagawin natin, magbibigay lang ako ng displacement, tas ilalagay ko yung direction, and then ito-drawing natin siya in a Cartesian plane. So, for example, meron akong 150 meters. Ang direction niya ay 65 degrees north of east. Para ma-solve po natin ito, we are going to draw a Cartesian plane. Number 1 yan po palagi. I-drawing mo po yung Cartesian plane. And just like that. Okay, let us now locate kung nasaan po ang north of east. Sabi niya dito, east, north of east. So, ang una mong hahanapin ay saan si east. East, west, south, and north. Hahanapin mo kung nasan si east. Kung nandito si east, o dito ka maglalagay. Now, is it sa north or is it sa south? Sa north siya. So, ibig sabihin, papataas ka na ganun, papataas kang ganyan, hanggang makakuha ka ng 65, ng 65 degrees. So, let's say, this is just an estimation. Let's say that this is 65 degrees north of east. Okay. Now, you are going to find for the x and y component. For the x and y component. So, this will be your a, this will be your ay, and this will be your ax. Naawatan. So, ganun lang yon. So, ano ang gagamitin natin in our equation? Anong angle? Meron kasi tayong angle na yung given. Meron din naman tayong tinatawag na reference angle na kung saan nakabase siya sa ating positive x-axis. Once again, this is your positive x-axis. Dito po siya manggagaling. That's your reference angle. So, ang reference angle natin ay 65 degrees. Let's identify. Your given are, ano ang A mo? Your A is 150 meter. Ano ibig sabihin ng A? That is your magnitude. That is your resultant vector. Yung 150 meter, that is your magnitude. You're just going to write that. And the direction of your vector is 65 degrees. You don't have to write this anymore because you kinuha mo na yung reference angle niya. Okay? Kapag reference angle na siya, ibig sabihin, wag mo na siyang isulat. Wag mo nang isulat yung north of east, south of west, or whatsoever niya. Okay. Na-identify na natin. What are we looking for? We are looking for AX and AY. Now, identify your equation. What are your equations? AX is equal to A cosine theta. AY is A sine theta. Now, for your solution, sana makita nyo. Ayan. For your solution, paliitin na lang natin yung drawing. Kasi, kailangan kong ipakita sa inyo ng buo para naman mas ma-visualize niyo. So, for your solution, ito gagawin natin. Dito ako maglalagay. Your solution. Finding AX. AX muna ang hahanapin natin. So, ang gagawin lang natin, isa-substitute lang natin. AX, A cosine theta. So, your A is 150 meters. And then, cosine, 65. Kung isa-solve mo yan, using your scientific calculator, ang magiging sagot ay, you can solve with me, you can pause the video if you want, para makapag-participate. 150 cosine 65, ang magiging sagot mo ay 63.39. That is your AX. Okay, that's your AX. Ano magiging unit niya? It's also meter. Kapag gano'n, pag sure ka na sa answer mo, you can box your answer. Okay. For your AY naman, your AY, ang equation natin ay A sine. Bakit nga ulit sine? Kasi si AY ay opposite from the word na soka, towa, sine, opposite, hypotenuse. Kaya sine ang ginamit for AY kasi si AY ay opposite of the angle. So, that's it. Let's substitute. AY is equal to A. What's your A? 150 meters. And then, sine 65. I-input mo lang din sila. 150 sine 65. So, your answer here is AY is 135.95. Ang nakalagay sa calculator ko ay 135.94618 blah blah blah. Now, you just get the two decimal places pero i-round mo na siya agad. Okay? I-round mo na siya agad para pare-pareho ng answer. Ayan. So, therefore, your final answer is your AX 63.39 meters and your AY is 135.95 meters. Kung ito-drawing natin ito, si AX mo ay, anong ulit ang value ng AX natin? 63.39. Ilagay mo ha sa graph para hindi ka malito. Your AY is 135.95 meters. Okay. That's your example number 1. For our second problem naman, gumamit naman tayo ng vector na kung saan pwede nating kunin yung reference angle para makita nyo yung difference. So, for our second example, I have here 120 Newton, 25 degrees south of west. Okay. So, again, before you start, you have to draw the vector first using your Cartesian plane. So, i-drawing lang ho natin. Dito na po natin i-drawing. This is your Cartesian plane. Okay. Identify the direction first. Is it east? Is it east or west? South or north? Tignan natin. It's in the west. So, ibig sabihin, dito na part. Okay? At dito na part ito. Dito na part. Okay. So, since siya ay nasa south, ibig sabihin, nandito siya sa part na ito. Yung angle. Yung vector. Okay? So, i-drawing natin. Kunwari, south, west, papa-south tayo, south. Tama? So, for example, let's just estimate that this is 25 degrees. O, zoom in natin. For example, this is 25 degrees south of west. Okay. So, ang rule natin dito, ang gagamitin mo ay yung reference angle. How are you going to get the reference angle? You have to start from the positive x-axis. Ulitin ko, mag-i-start ka from the positive axis. So, x-axis. So, manggagaling ka po dito. And then, you're just going to turn around hanggang doon sa kung nasaan po yung vector. So, this is, i-add mo lang para makuha mo yung reference angle, i-add mo lang po yung mga angles. So, this is 90. This is 90. Bakit po 90? Because this is 90. This is another 90. And this one, ano po ang angle na to? It's 25. So, i-add mo lang 90 plus 90 plus 25. Ibig sabihin, ang sagot po natin ay 205 degrees. Therefore, ang iyo pong reference angle ay, ang gagamitin mong theta ay 205 degrees. Pagka ito ang ginamit ko, do I still have to write the south of west? Not anymore. Okay, because it's already understood because we already used the reference angle. Okay, so let's identify the given. Identify the given. Your A is 120 Newton. So you're just going to write it here. And then your theta is 205 degrees. Okay, so what are you looking for? You are looking for your AX and AY. Okay, so para ma-solve ito, ang kukunin mo, i-identify again your equation, which are the following. AX is A cosine theta, and your AY is A sine theta. Once again, i-insert mo lang yan sa equation. For your solution, you have AX is equal to A cosine theta. What's your A? It's 120 cosine 205. Take note, ang ginamit po natin dito ay 205. Hindi po siya 65. Ay, hindi po siya 25. So, isosolve mo lang ho ito. Isosolve mo lang po yan using your scientific calculator. So, input lang natin 120 cosine 205. So, your answer is negative 108.76. The unit will be Newton. Okay, that is your AX. Ma'am, bakit may negative? I-explain ko sa inyo mamaya kung bakit may negative. Next naman po tayo for your AY. It's A sine theta. So, your A is 120 and then sine and then 205. Take note ha, ang gagamitin po nating angle ay yung reference angle para hindi mo na siya kailangang baliktarin. Kasi may mga problems na kailangan mo siyang baliktarin kapag nakadepende pag nakadikit yung angle natin dun sa may y-axis. Pero ito kasi, pag ginamit natin yung reference angle, ang gagamitin natin palagi ay ito, yung standard na equation, which is yung AX and then yung AY. Okay? So, solve natin. You just input that in your calculator. So, 120 sine 205. So, ang sagot mo ay negative 50.71 Newton. That's your AY. I-box mo lang siya. Okay. So, ang tanong, bakit po siya naging negative? Tandaan po natin ha. I-review natin dun sa ating Cartesian plane. This is positive, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. Okay, so ito po yung vector natin, tama? Ito po yung vector natin. If we're going to make a triangle from that vector, syempre you start from here. Kita nyo po yung green. You start from here. And then magbababa ka. So this is your AX and this is your AY. Now, saan siya sa x-axis? Sin AX mo. Saan siya sa x-axis? Is it in the positive or is it in the negative? So, it's in the negative. Kaya naman, yung answer mo dito sa final mo ay meron siyang negative kasi to the left yung direction nung AX mo dito sa may graph. Dito sa may graph. Okay? Next naman, bakit naman po negative yung AY? Kasi you start from here, magbababa ka, sabi natin kapag nasa baba, siya ay negative. Kaya naman, ito ang ibig sabihin kung bakit negative yung AY mo. Kapag negative yung AY, ibig sabihin nagpababa siya. Kapag negative naman yung AX, ibig sabihin nagpa-right siya. Okay? So, that's it. We have two examples. Always remember that you are going to use your reference angle to solve these problems.